Hi, in this video we try to understand what is data type conversion. So in Java we have two types of data. One is primitive type and second one is object type. So we did not talk about objects so far, so we keep objects aside now. So we focus on what is primitive data type conversion. So we came to know that Java supports 8 primitive data types, that 4 integers, byte, short, int, long, and 2 reals, float, double, and character and boolean. So what is this data type conversion? Before understanding data type conversion, first of all we need to understand why data type conversion is required, or what are the situations or scenarios where we need to convert one type of data into another type of data.
Hey, thanks for watching our content so far. If you're new to Training Mark, we're the fastest growing technology training company and create content to help freshers like you to master the disruptive technologies like full stack development, AML, cloud, DevOps, etc. If you like the content so far, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon not to miss any new content from us. Like and share this video with all your friends. Let's build your career and the community together.
So we'll understand that with an example. Suppose you have a product price. Now the product price you will take either an integer or a real. So if it is an integer, let us assume that you have taken it as an integer. So int product price, or you assign some value. Or if it is a real, you will say float or double. So you'll say float product price and then you'll assign some value. Now let us say you want to calculate some discount based on certain discount percentage. Now, what is the discount percentage? It could be integer or it could be real. So sometimes you might have a integer percentage or sometimes you have a float percentage. Example, 10% or 5% or 6% or 10.5% or 10.8%. So if you want to calculate the discount price on this, so you will apply certain kind of mathematical formula. Example, you'll say product into discount percentage divided by 100 will give you the discount price of the particular product. Now, if you look at that, so you have different kinds of data involved in this operation. Don't worry about these operations. So you'll understand how to perform operations very in detail in our operators concept. But I'm just giving you a brief why you need to convert one type of data into another type of data, or why type conversion is required. So if you look at this example, so you have a price, you have discount percentage, and you have divided by 100. And if you want to calculate the final price, you'll say price minus price into discount percentage divided by 100. So this is what is basically a simple formula or an operation you'll apply to get the discount percentage. Now there are three different types of data available in this operation. One is the price if it is integer, or discount percentage if it is float, and then 100 is an integer. So when different types of data types are included in a data operation, now what could be the resultant data type? Or the resultant data type could be an integer or a float, or what it should be. So there should be some uniform rules in programming language to give the expected output for this particular operation. So that is where the data type conversions will come into the picture. So you have to convert one type of data into another type of data, especially when you operate on that particular data, or when you have a requirement of assigning one data into another data. So that is where the data type conversion will come into the picture. So the definition of data type conversion is converting one type of data into another type of data. So here we are talking about primitive data type conversion. So you have total 8 primitives. So now the question comes, hey, how I convert one type of primitive into another type of primitive? Example, hey, how do I convert a byte to float? Or how do I convert a short to long? Or how do I convert a float to double? Or how do I convert a double to int? So these are the different kinds of scenarios where you get to convert one type of data into another type of data. But a very important point here is when you're using data type conversion, the type must be convertible. This is what one of the very important point. What does it mean? In general mathematics, you also can convert numbers from integers to decimals. Example, you have 100 and you want to convert that into decimal. So what you do? You simply put 100.0, then that will become decimal. Suppose you have 100.23 and you want to convert that into integer. What do? You remove the fraction part and you'll say 100. 100 is an integer. So likewise, in programming language also, you'll convert one type of data into another type of data. But now the question comes, hey, can I convert a number into character? Or can I convert a number into boolean? Example, can I convert 100 to a false or true to 200? So that is not possible, right? So that is why when you're using data type conversion, so it is very important the types must be convertible. Otherwise you're going to get a compilation error. So Java supports two types of data type conversions. One is implicit type conversion and second one is explicit type conversion. So we'll understand what is implicit and then what is explicit type conversion very in detail in the next video.